Greetings to all. My name is Easter Luna Canoy. I'm from Malaybalay, Bukidnon. I manage the Kitanglad Integrated NGOs. I purposely come to participate in the Bamboo Camp. I want to look at the whole systems because we envision to have our own Bamboo Bootcamp in Kitanglad, participated by Kitanglad Guards volunteers, representatives from the Council of Elders, and the youths. So that's actually the big picture. It's an awesome experience. It is very humbling and affirms connection with nature, basically, through the symbol of the bamboo. Favorite module. I think it has to start with growing the bamboo. Favorite because I've not done it in a lot of times, but I think a lot of work comes from seeding when you plant something. Because when you're able to plant something, you have the investment there and to see it grow. So it's the start of all the value chain. I think that's what's most important. Although the creation part, when you treat the bamboo, there's a different level of caring for the bamboo, but I think it has to really like the heart that you put in when you grow the bamboo planting material, mulch it, take care of it, watch it grow, and then really just imagine the whole landscape be filled up with traces of bamboo, and it's entirely an expression of a landscape that in the whole spectrum of forest, there's actually bamboo grass there, and it means a lot to us human beings because we are sheltered by it, we are nourished by it, and in terms of disasters when it comes, we are really also protected by it. So I think many didn't realize how much really the bamboo cares for us human beings. So we need to really kind of give back, and doing the projects is just one thing, but the important thing is that there's so much degraded areas, there's so much dry rivers, then practically we might do something about bringing the bamboo in the whole landscape, and it's all about green landscape. The future of the Philippines should really be about giving credits to bamboo and also giving credits to the indigenous peoples who had been growing bamboo. Human beings for a time really destroyed the vast portions of landscape. So bamboo is just one symbol for Kitanglad, but we're also very excited for abaca, coffee, handicrafts where women are there, and the youths as well. And it's a whole combination, but it has to start with a rigid training. That's why I like the Bamboo Bootcamp, because this is really very rigid. You have to be careful, you should not be wound yourself. And there's no discrimination whether you're schooled, unschooled, experienced, unexperienced. The thing is, you open your heart to learn. 9 days is really allows you to see the whole cycle and the bigger picture, not just from the small planting material. And I like the education of the varieties of the bamboo. I saw it in China in 2005, in Anji, and I never knew, but intuitively I knew somehow that bamboo should have a space in Malaybalay, in Kitanglad. So it's our challenge that probably before coming here we thought Malaybalay or Lantapan. We should have a treatment center, so that allows people to really like think twice, like there's really value to one pole of the bamboo because we already treated it, and that makes a lot of difference. Well, it should start with looking at the Philippines to be a sustainable country. Then you go back to your province to be a sustainable province, your city to be a sustainable city, your community, your family should live in a sustainable place. Why? Because everyone with a heart to believe in sustainability should really come and participate and really do something to pay it forward. Meaning to say, what you learn, you expand it, because the landscape's been calling for it, and we need a lot of people that really cares for nature. And this is something concrete proof that, well, you have zero knowledge, but practically in 9 days, everything, you would have a grasp of everything, but probably you might realize that you're good at growing, nurturing, post-harvesting like treatment or the design. You'll never know. You'll be surprised that every bit of the puzzle pieces of having a bamboo fully used is actually like an open space, and everyone with enthusiasm, openness, like to connect to people and to nature, come over and really be part of this.